Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the laziest way to make money online in 2025, then this video is for you. Imagine making $100 a day without leaving your bed. Sounds too good to be true. Well, I've got some simple, low-effort ways that can help you do just that. Let's dive into it. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the best ways to earn passive income online. In 2025, it's easier than ever. You don't have to create a product or handle customer service. All you need to do is promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You can sign up for affiliate programs with platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Just pick a niche you're interested in, promote products through your social media, blog, or YouTube channel, and watch the money roll in while you sleep. Selling digital products. This is another incredibly lazy way to make money. Whether it's an ebook, a course, printables, or stock photos, once you create a digital product, you can sell it endlessly with little to no effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable make it easy to list your products, and once they're up, you'll earn money every time someone buys them. You do the work up front, and then you let the sales come in automatically. Make money on YouTube without making videos. You heard that right. There are ways to profit from YouTube without creating your own content. One method is using content automation tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools help you upload viral clips, repurpose old content, and even run ads without ever needing to film anything. Another way is through YouTube automation channels, where you create compilation videos, voiceovers, or even slideshows that can generate ad revenue without too much effort. It's like having a YouTube channel on autopilot. Dropshipping. This method allows you to sell physical products online without ever holding any inventory. You simply list products on your website, and when someone buys from you, the supplier ships it directly to them. In 2025, you can even automate your dropshipping business with tools like Shopify and Oberlo, making it even easier to run on autopilot. You just handle the marketing, and the suppliers do the rest. Print on demand. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online with minimal effort. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or phone cases, and upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. Once your designs are live, every time someone buys a product with your design, you earn a cut. You don't have to worry about printing, shipping, or inventory. Everything is done for you. Get paid for doing simple tasks like watching videos or filling out surveys. Platforms like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars reward you for completing basic online activities like watching ads, taking surveys, or testing products. While you won't make a ton of money this way, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. And the best part, you can do it while watching TV or lounging at home. There you have it. The laziest ways to make money online in 2025, and they all have the potential to earn you $100 a day or more. Remember, the key is to set it up once, then let it run on autopilot while you do other things. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs some extra income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.